So let's meet this year's inductees. Our first inductee is Dr. Fred Barez. Dr. Barez is a passionate participant in technology, an innovator, an entrepreneur, a high-tech company founder, a distinguished educator, and a mentor to aspiring young engineers. After earning his PhD from Cal Berkeley at the age of 25, he started a career in Silicon Valley. Advancement in storage device technology has enabled ever more functional and affordable storage devices with dramatic impact on virtually every aspect of our life in the modern society. Dr. Barez designed, developed, and manufactured a variety of products for the data storage device industry, in particular, the design of a unique servo clock head to increase disk file storage. Virtually all documents and photos stored in the clouds utilizes technologies developed by Dr. Barez. Dr. Barez is currently the chair of aviation and technology and a professor of mechanical engineering and past chair of mechanical and aerospace engineering at San Jose State. His energy and enthusiasm for engineering has inspired countless young people to consider the engineering profession. As a faculty member and a scholar, he has a variety of research interests. To name a few: electronic packaging, semiconductors, smart home systems, energy efficiency, self-driving automobiles, autonomous vehicles. As a gifted educator, he has introduced over 35 new courses in support of the workforce development in Silicon Valley, a remarkable accomplishment. He has developed educational research laboratories, supervised graduate students, and published journal and conference papers. He is a member and active contributor to several professional honorary societies. He is a co-founder and past president of this organization, the Silicon Valley Engineers Council, co-founder and president of SIP, which I understand is the Society of Iranian Professionals, and Project Enable. He has served as president of the ASME Santa Clara Valley section. He's a life member, a fellow, and a recipient of ASME's prestigious Dedicated Service Award. He is a life member of the Chinese Institute of Engineers. Remarkable. And a co-trustee of Epsilon Pi Tau, which is the leading international honor society for technology. Dr. Barez, in recognition of your many contributions to the engineering profession, and as an enthusiastic educator, as a practicing professional, and as a role model for service to support of our Silicon Valley community, we are pleased to induct you into the Silicon Valley Engineering Hall of Fame. Please come forward.
Good evening. How do you top this fantastic talk with a Nobel laureate? I think the best thing, as they say, is the next best thing to intelligence is silence. Maybe I should just stay silent and don't say anything. But I think you deserve it to be here, and I'd like to thank a lot of people who have helped me to get to this point. First of all, I'd like to thank Dr. Shoup for your kind introduction. I cannot be more pleased than to have you to make this introduction. Dr. Shoup was a former dean at Santa Clara University, and we go back almost over 30 years associating with each other. I would also like to congratulate Mr. Ajit Manchua for his induction into the Hall of Fame. I am honored to be recognized by the Silicon Valley Engineering Council Hall of Fame Committee. It truly is an honor to be inducted into the Silicon Valley Hall of Fame. I would like to thank my nominator. I would like to thank my references for writing strong letters of support. I would like to thank Dr. Stanley Meyer, the chair of the Hall of Fame, and I would like to thank the judges of the Hall of Fame committee. I would also like to thank my family at these two tables in front, my industry and academia colleagues for giving me the freedom and to mentor me over the past years. I would like to thank the late Dr. Werner Goldsmith at UC Berkeley. He was my thesis advisor. He really made a profound impact on my life and my career. I would also like to thank Anil Nigam of Memorex Corporation, who gave me the opportunity to embark on a career in electronics packaging, the area that is unheard for mechanical engineers a few years back. He was a good mentor to help me apply my education to my career opportunities. I would also like to thank Mr. Peter Bischoff, co-founder and vice president of engineering at Reed Rod Corporation, who encouraged me to take a chance to start my company. Mr. Bischoff provided endless support throughout my career. Thank you, Peter. I would also like to thank Ann Walker, my colleague at Reed Rod Corporation, who supported me when I started my own company. Having started my career in Silicon Valley, the center of innovation of the world, as you heard from Dr. Chu, I met and worked with some of the most brilliant individuals in the Valley. We worked on this storage system of 5 megabyte capacity, of the size of a refrigerator, to multi-terabyte storage devices that you can hold in your palm of your hand. I am proud to have made contributions in the field in Silicon Valley, the opportunity that creates. Silicon Valley provides great opportunities to constantly evolve individuals, and I'm one of those individuals. My career has evolved from working on disk drives to electronics packaging and now autonomous and self-driving vehicles in industry and academia. I would like to thank my colleagues at San Jose State University, Dr. Raghu Agrawal, Dr. G. Wang, Dr. Alex Linecki, and Dean J. Penson for their support in accepting me as a colleague in the department. Thank you, Raghu. Thank you, G. And thank you, Dr. Linecki's family. I also like to thank Dr. Taren Shu of the Mechanical Engineering Department, who encouraged me to take chances in the field of autonomous driving, which was very rare a few years back. I would like to thank Dr. G. Wang and Professor Mokri for their unwavering support in this field. Thank you, Dr. Wang. Thank you, Professor Mokri. My goal is to educate and provide skills to many students to contribute to the workforce in Silicon Valley and beyond. Throughout my academic career at UC Berkeley, Mission College, West Valley College, San Jose State University, I can proudly say that I have positively affected the lives of over 8,500 students. A simple positive response from a current student or an alumnus gives me the fuel to motivate me to do more. As was stated by Dr. Terry Shoup, the Hall of Fame inductees are expected to have demonstrated professional achievement, have made significant contributions to the profession and the Silicon Valley community. I strongly believe that I have achieved these goals and will continue to do more. Thank you again for this honor. I am very grateful. Thank you.